Olabafethu sizocala kanje sesiyaqala madoda ishow Orlando Pirates in the past weekend had a few mistakes, and I think it's one mistakes that I think they have to avoid going to the MTN 8 quarterfinals. So welcome to Sifiso Myeni Show, where we speak football. You also always have to join the Omni audio sport. So ngiyacela madoda ukuthi we interact. We're only talking about football. It's nothing personal. We always talk. I learn from you guys. If you want to engage with me, you are more than welcome on our social media platform. But today we're going to dive into it, the past weekend and the coming MTN 8 quarterfinals, where we speak about Pirates and obvious football knowledge. You know, welcome to the Sifiso Myeni Show. Let's go.
Danko. Sifiso isukile this weekend. Sibonile Orlando Pirates idlala neMilford. Sold out Orlando Stadium. Sonke besi anticipator, and then Orlando Pirates igcine winner 2-0. What did you make of that game?
Yeah, I think for me, I would not judge the guys early, everyone, because it was the first game, you know. But in performance wise, I don't think we played to our ability. You know, I think Amachita obviously still pre-season. It was the first game, so everyone is trying to be on their feet and try and come out and show what the season ahead. So for me, yes, I was not that quite impressed with the team, you know, and yes, there were individuals who are standing up. But overall performance as a team, you know, I don't think we play to the Pirates that we know their ability. So that's why I'm saying, Guti Nzobakaya man, Guti, it was the first game of the league, you know, from pre-season, Amachita Manye, you know, still rusty. But first game, cool, you know. Yeah, but good ones to those who played, and I was really impressed with a few players there.
Kunento ngifuna sikhulume ngayo bengimele vele the day kuzawe ne studio ukuthi kube was addressela le ndaba amafena amaningi had a lot to say about Tito after the game le abanye bathi Dr. Aladlisi Pirates Tito akahlala ebenchini abanye we speak now kunase bayenza ne justice for Tito as a former player when what lento yenzakala ku Tito. Firstly, what do you think of Tito's contribution to Orlando Pirates as a number 10? And are you happy with how the supporters have been calling him out? Like, ufila kanjani ngayo yonke lento yenzakalayo ngoTito?
For me, I think it comes back to what I always say, you know, as a player, you always want your supporters to back you up, you know, but also as a player, you have to come to the terms of saying, if you are not doing well, you have to take it, you know, because of fans are the people who go to the stadium and game and pay their hard-earned money to come and watch not only you but the Pirates as a whole. So sometimes you have to repay them, you know. And coming to weekend, I think I saw him play my friendly in the preseason, you know, and we know what Tito can do. So I think for him, Guti, he knows that if you know as a player, that's one thing I know as a player, Guti. When it comes out, when the fans are on top of you, that means they know what you can do. And as a player, personally, you have to come out and don't take that in a bad way. You must take it in a negative way. Guti, okay, the fans are calling me out. Maybe also I'm not giving much that I need to give, but for Yena, I think the game he played, he has to understand, man. Tito has been in this game for long. He knows he has a right attitude. He needs to just come and be the Tito that we know. You know, don't sometimes trying to do too many things and trying to maybe impress fans. Because of even fans, there's fans that will like you and there's fans that won't like you, no matter Guti wenza kanjani. So for him, I think mentality, Guti needs to come out. He knows what he can do. That's one thing I know about Tito. I've watched him play. You know, akekho umuntu ongaya kuDabi ashaye cheap. You know, he's one player who's always confident. I think he has to come back and bring back his confidence, and obviously Orlando, this nowadays Orlando and Sakonukzwana, because the stadium is always fully packed. It's because of the guys have been doing well. That's why the stadium is always packed. So for Yena as a player, he needs to know Uguti, he needs to give more. And to give more, it's not only about doing certain things and trying to carry the team and all that. It's just to help the team besides you. Because before anyone else at Pirates, before the name at the back, Pirates is the first one. You have to play for the team, and then the name of the back will come. But for Yena, I think he knows what he needs to do before, because Abeko easy. As I'm a Pirates fan, they are not easy. When now as a player you start going to the stadium, mind so because of the pressure. And he knows when he got there, he knew the pressure of playing for a big team like Pirates. It's always there.
Another player, ama-supporter ayakhala ngayo kakhulu straight after that game leyana uYanela Mbuthuma. You look at how he performed last season. Last season, he had more game time than all the strikers, the Orlando Pirates, but still couldn't score more goals than Evidence Mahopa, who came off the bench most of the games last season. Nagule game lena, amachansi, there were more decision making was letting him down. Kunala okay took pass Tito, but Ozonapolis is the better option. Kunala Tito oyal control pass umreme as opposed to Gutalege when Apolis uye beganga wazu kuiqeda lapaya. What have you made of Yanela Mbuthuma lapha Orlando Pirates, and do you agree with the fans ukuthi bamphile chance maybe mele athi ukuhlala kancane benchini khona zophakamisa amasokisi?
Yeah, I think for me Mbuthuma it's one person that the coach has emphasized on playing him. As people and as fans, we always have an opinion, and at the end of the day, the coach sees what into ayibona coach unokubona into esingayiboni thina, and that's why namanje there's been a debate about how can Mbuthuma start over uMakgopa beka ku World Cup, Mbuthuma beka sekhaya bhekelela uMakgopa. It's always that argument, but for me is always been there. I'm not sure what is it that he's lacking, because truly speaking, let's be honest. We have to be honest. He's been given a chance, and then sometimes when we say these things, people think that we don't like the players. We have issues with the players, guys. I think sometimes we have to come to terms that sometimes as former players and as other current players, when we speak about football, it's not to say we know better. It's just that we've played the game. It doesn't mean because I'm saying something now you must think that I know better. No, I don't know better. I'm still learning, even after playing. But it doesn't mean that now we can't voice out things that we see in the field. When we were also playing, there were former players who are talking about us. When we are playing, because there's always generation after generation. Even the current players, after they've retired, they'll have the platform to maybe speak about the other players. So for me, Mbuthuma, he's been getting a chance. We can't say he's not about pass or anything, but he's been getting a chance. So coming to that, Uguti, fans have been patient enough, and as a player now, man, sometimes baba logo basani striker ukhona man. Yakubonisa ukuthi now you have to do something. You understand that you have to pull up your socks, because of at the end of the day, whatever happens, you ngeke ukhone ukhala ukuthi I was not given a chance. So he was given a chance. So for me, I think you just have to Leo Gole one maybe confident yakibuyi angazi, but uyazi manje the thing is also the fans have set a higher standard, not only for Pirates only but for individual players. So now he has to know ukuthi the standard is high. That's why I'm a fan alokoli ayakhala, and manje na ingamla iyeza manje ingamla bangashaya net uyabona manje ukuthi kusho ukuthi naye uyohlala standing uyohlala shaya izandla, so he has to come out and work. Yeah.
Speaking of lama player lawa mafana amaningi akhale ngawo, especially after their first game, uyabona ukuthi abakhalanga because of the game against Milford. Into eqale from last season manje sebayabona nange first game ukuthi awumbuthuma kakhulu, uTito slow on the ball. Another player Bodlela, Orlando Pirates captain uNkosinathi Sibisi, very sloppy, unokushama mistake na ubonayo kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi akusama mistake ongawayenza, ubuya ku World Cup, professional player, upass striker against the game eMilford. If lesa striker lesabe ku striker semali ungabe sikhuluma esinye story. Do you agree namafana ukuthi maybe uNkosinathi Sibisi naye mbake bathu kumphumuza kancane and give uChabatsane a chance, or wena uyilungisa kanjani le ndaba kaSibisi?
No, indaba kaSibisi he has saved the Pirates faithful, you know, and sometimes uyazi kuhlale kubonakala people look at the bad things that happen in the field rather than good things amanye, you know, njengoba usho leyo pass, if it had landed to a much better team, it could have ended up being a goal, you understand, and everyone uyakhala ngoChabatsane, which is, for me, I think it deserves a chance, you know, because he's left-footed and njengoba bekusho, there was a balance when Mbogazi was playing no Siema, you know, and Siema now is trying sega ku level look understand what's happening, you understand, he's more out there, and the Manju Bodlela is playing left center back but ngo right uyabo kwamela abuye ku stronger foot sakhe. I think that's what happened in that ball, and then afuna ukushaya cross ball, you understand, and also we have to take in consideration ukuthi bekayi ku World Cup, and then I think udlale first game ne, he played the first game, and then after that where they changed of lineup, because even in that World Cup he didn't have a good game. Yes, we can say maybe it was the first game of the league, but I still believe that sometimes it's much better to have a left-footed center back so that it becomes easy for wonke umuntu. Njengoba sizodive in kule andaba besikhuluma ngayo of yakati they make a mistake ngokuhambisa uboy. Yeah, Thabiso Sesana. Yes, he's also a rightful center back, but yeah, now he's good on the ball, you know, and which is now Sibisi is good, but the mistakes, and you know, a team like biggest Pirates, you can't afford a mistake as well, because going to game year weekend, which is late game year weekend. Late game year weekend is not just a game, man. Hey, there's entertaining, man. You know, he center back ikhulume ukuthi Pirates is just a name. Hey. Yeah.
Before singena kuyo le game le air weekend, ngifuna siqhubeke ngayo le game le against the Milford. Sibone kunabafana basha Orlando Pirates ba introduceile. We haven't had your opinion ngabo ngayo Khositsile, Neo Rapo, Ulungu, I think uMasilelo Urbani in the middle of the park, if I'm not mistaken. Asiqale ngoDancing. Dancing started the game and finished the game for Orlando Pirates. Uyaphi lo mfana nePirates?
What a player. What a player. I just hope he has the right attitude and he remains and stays humble. You know, I think I saw a glimpse, Bagadala last season, whereby he got the goal of the season against Sundowns, and if you check even the game against Sundowns, I'm a fans be one poor and everything. Sometimes you have to start like that, you know, as a player, where you get booed and then you take whatever is happening into your confident, and then and then he played few games, and then I saw him pre-season. It was good, and then Pangimbona game. He was like he's been playing more games than anyone there, because the confidence that he had is obvious. People will say, yeah, he played well, and maybe I'm sure he's a fan of my team. Yeah, he played well. You are playing against Milford. Yeah, the team is not. But he's confident. I saw he's confident when they were playing in a pre-season in Spain, and I'm happy now. And I think if he carries on like this, it's gonna be difficult for other guys who who are playing in his position to break in, as long as he stays humble. But no, what a player. I was impressed with him, going forward and putting in the work. And as I said, it's a first game, but I just hope he remains humble and keeps working hard. So yeah.
And then abantu abaningi bakhalile ngoHositsile makangena ayena ube namathatha amnandi benamathatha amnandi, but again Milford it's a team bekadlala nayo lapha yana ku second division, so kushuthi bajwayele he'll be tested masekadlala namanye ama team. But what did you think of his debut lo mfana lo? Is he one to look out for the season for Orlando Pirates?
Yeah, he's one to look out for. What I don't want to say and put pressure on the boy is what it's obvious. Social media, everyone is running and saying all the things. I don't think Ngizebati the relay 2.0. Hey, no, it's too early, my thought. We can't put so much pressure on him. But I saw his touches. I saw how he played, how he came in, the confidence. But I still believe Guti we see a lot on this boy. I just hope he carries it. And we ask, man, as long as you remain humble in everything that you do, you are hype manje, it's a problem. Because one thing I am scared of is that now we're gonna expect what Rile was doing on him, and which is, as players we are all different in our nature and everything and how we play. And I hope Naya Gaitati Lento Guti, I'm here to replace Rile. No.
Asikhulume ke ngendaba enkulu le creative department ye Orlando Pirates, because clearly Tito is struggling. Now Orlando Pirates needs to come with a solution. Who do you think should be that number 10 le Orlando Pirates since Urilange? Because someone aba creative, aba effective, go attack yabo, okwazi ukulibamba thatha ama player nonga sabu shooter from outside.
Yeah, for me, in my honest opinion, as I always say, it's my opinion. Not everyone else, not the people I'm with the studio. They didn't tell me what to say. So it's my honest opinion. I think if we can try Apolis there, man. I think Apolis has that creativity. You understand? Yes, we understand that Tito is there. But now, if Tito is there or Tito is still injured, because of Angita Saz Gutigan Zagalan KB, Kabelo Lamina Saz Guti, what's happening? So for me right now, I think if you can try Apolis on that number 10 position and see if it's gonna work out, that's my honest opinion. And we try him, man. I think he will unsettle a lot of midfielders and defenders of the opposition, because they know what he can do. He can shoot, he can make space, he can dribble. He knows how to position himself. That's why even if he plays wide, you always find him coming inside and trying to create. So Asim Zameni, man. Maybe Echimin Nyana, if they ever friendly, Bamzamela Pechimin Babon against Agalan. Because I don't think and I don't see Pirates signing another player. As we had, the coach was, we are calling him a player 48. So I don't think Pirates has one player more to sign or something. But I'm happy that the coach has spoken about the goalkeeping department, which is my last episode. I spoke about it, that he needs another goalkeeper, so that he can push. But for me now, personally, Apolis, I would like to see him play number 10, because I think he's the creative player. Yes, because of right now, our number 10, Utito, has not come to a party. Yes, it's still early, but I think he will give us something, and we know injuries are part of the game. What if he gets injured? So yeah.
At least go be net depth lapaya. Now mabheka lapha na emidleleni, because lo mfana lo no Cameron Denson has raised his hand as ngathi ni favorite ukuthi asithathe le ndawo leya. There's Cameron Denson, there's Usihle Nduli, there's Umakehlene Makaula, Umthetheleli Mthiane, Thapelo Mokopoto, nalo mfana lo Cameron Denson. Kulaba bo by 6. Uhamba nabaphi wena? Which two would you say a combination emele Pirates edlale ngayo lapha eMidland for the rest of the season? Would you say it's Nduli with Denson, or Mbatha Makaula, Mbatha Denson, or Mbatha Nduli?
I'll go with Mbatha and Denson, but still skeptical because of Mbatha is not your natural number 6. I think even in the game against Milford, there was a lot of space. You understand? Because if it was me, I would want to play the certain way, you know. And I don't think Uguti now, because it's competition between Mbatha and Denson, because of, I think the only holding middle fielders that Pirates has is obvious Makaula and Nduli. You understand? Even you can say Silepe, but people engazi ukuthi bayasikathi are those two. You understand? And if you put those two, or you put one of them, that means you have to, between Mbatha and Denson, you have to put one a bench in. And you ask Mbatha is one player that's been there, and you see when he's not there, Pirates struggle a bit. So, but I will go with Mbatha nayo Denson. Ngambe nayo Didings number 10 Mbegwa Police. Lapha center lapha kube nyaka nje kube mess. You understand? But I will go with the both of them because of, I think even in that game Mbatha had not had that good game that we know because of he was allowing Denson to be himself, and that's why boy went to that standard. That's why everyone is speaking about him. So the other guys, I think they're going to find it very, very tough, you know, because it's Pirates, it's competition. So but we know our coach. The Wadu weekend ungabona a different lineup. Uyamazi ke our coach ke lapha kanasikhathi ke kasimameli ke lapho uvelathi okay, they saying, because we didn't expect Denson to play. Me being honest, I didn't expect him to play, but the coach played him. You understand? And him playing him, it brought foods to him, and to say whatever decision I take, I stick with it, and that's what happened.
Yeah, no. Owadu ngoba na ukanda limtshelo kakho. Uyafana nje no Hugo Bruce. Uyafana no Hugo Bruce. Moving into Saturday's game, but to social media, Orlando Pirates versus Pirates is just a name. MTN 8 first quarter final. Pirates is the first game, the defending champions, playing against the Durban City. Ebabambile last season. They couldn't break that low block at Durban City last season. You've mentioned a few mistakes. The Pirates isn't Dogmelo Gutubazlungise. How should Orlando Pirates approach this game against Durban City tomorrow afternoon?
One thing I'm happy about is that Loya Ntanga Loya Agaseko. Yeah. The coach lo wasibambe Orlando Agaseko ngithi. Yeah. So say no, see sharp. Not knowing, obvious, you know, players when you play Pirates, you know, you are tequila noma umuntu tequila noma yini. You understand? They'll give their all. They know what it means. But I think the approach has to be that the pressure is on Pirates. I pressure Vela. It's because of we are the defending champions, and I think years back they have done it, double treble. So this is where the double treble starts. You know, defending the MTN 8. You know, knowing that this game is not just a game, because a lot has been said. You know, you went to it's trending. It's like this game is somehow personal to everyone, fans, players, management, top management. You know, as we saw in the Bucks camp, hey, this boy, He's saying, hey, people are not happy. So even in a press conference, I think they asked the captain, what did you mean in that? And then, he said what he needed to say. But all in all, man, I think the approach has to be the same. Man. We just have to defend the MTN 8. And we know it won't be easy because of, yes, what's nice is that Baz Escotini. And they came to Escotini where we needed 3 points to win the league. And they was faster. So the guys know what happened last season and they know what they're up against. It's no more a Devon City just, but it's a Devon City side whereby even the supporters want this win because any results that go against Pirates, it will be a very, very big problem because of the fans take it in a way le game le ba ngathi bangafaka yellow because uyazi babafake yellow everything iba mnandi yabo babafake yellow obviously the guys will give all but they know what they're up against and they know it won't be easy and Devon City coming to Escotini they know what they need to do and it's a cup game and the cup game you can't make mistakes that were happening weekend where you get a team that's proper that has been there you'll get punished and that's what we don't want. What I'm happy is that at least on the weekend, as always, Chaine and the defense got a clean sheet. But one thing I should raise is that I'm happy with the signings that the team have made. Everyone came to the party. So yeah, Kenya weekend in fact it's a must win. They know it's a must win.
Abengicela nje ungiphela abantu shout out la because a lot of people are giving you love lapha ku comment section. Bathi the great winger Orlando Pirates head. So besicela nje just to recognize lapha.
Ngiyabonga bafethu. Thanks for supporting me and supporting the show. And ngiyabonga kakhulu that you took your time and to join us live. I really appreciate it bafethu. Please always engage bafethu. One love. It's all about you guys. It's not about me. It's all about you. And as I always said, Kuta, we speak football. If you want to say anything, get there, comment session at Omni, Audio Africa, Swisomiani Show. If you give me love, no ngiyabonga bafethu. And we must engage. I'm also learning from you guys because you guys are the ones that sit on the stands. I'm only sitting on the stands right now because I've stopped playing.
Danko. Okay. Before singena kuma comments, Sfiso, what do you think of le comment uncana na yenzile? Magati Pirates is just a name. Why abantu bayithatha personal slogan? or now ithatha personal.
Guys, this guy does not like me. This one. Hey man, le comment man. Hey. Comment. Utenu boy.
Pirates is just a name.
Ish. Man, boy, we can't say Pirates is just a name. Man. I was having a debate with someone, obviously, I need to ask from opposite teams. Uthi nani ngithanda ukuchest izinto ngithi baba saychesta lento le. So now when you I think okay I think I sugarcoat as it when you say Pirates is just a team. Okay. Hey, Pirates is just a name. Hey, but it's just a name. It's like Boundlula Orlando, Gune Orlando Stadium, Gune Orlando. So you understand? I think that's why most of the people are offended. I know as players we sometimes say things that you understand? And if you look at it, boy, I think after the game, or before? After the game. So I want to go before but just because of they got the results they got. And then he had to say that. That's why I manage Baba Mbuza, that thing. I shaligash. You understand? If you say a team, it's like, oh, okay, a team, maybe Ushoa, I'm a player. Okay, as a player, I won't take it that much. But if you say a name, because that name it's a meaning, it's like Umuntata Kamala Kalmini Nix. ya ngangitsheli usifisa omnyeni nje hayi uyabona I know. So now that's why a lot of people are chasing it. You understand? Abantu by Tata and uyazi Pirates fans ish. That's why manje the boy has been trending. Ngibonile manje angazi kuyenzakaleni but ngibonile sebampostile angazi bamdribblile weekend angazi udribble obani. But this is what's going to happen to you on weekend. Uyayibona manje say and all I'm saying is that the guys know how much it means for them to win this game because any result that goes against Pirates bazobuya abantu bathi makoshilo uyabo ukuthi it's just a name but for me I don't think it came out kahle man boy man die ulahle side no nami ngithathe personal ngichestile nami nami ngichestile obvious I was nami I've been to teams where I play against Pirates but I never any team Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns, any team that you won't come a team, all the 16 teams that are in the league. I don't think anyone has just come out and said, it's just Makama. Yes, you can say, the team is good on paper, and then you just have to go out there. But if you say a name, a lot of people don't know where the team started and where the name comes from, how did they get the name. That name holds big dreams for a lot of people, current and people who are outside the streets. So that's why I think a lot of people felt offended by that statement.
All right. So, Yasuga Ksasa 3:00 Pirates versus Devon City. How does Pirates break down their low block? If it Devon City is with the same approach, this time Pirates break down their low block.
For me, I think we just have to be patient. One thing about games like this is that obviously the team that's coming, I haven't watched them play. Obviously they have a new coach, but the way ngizwe hanja la pangityazi be social media, I heard that na coach ngathi indaba zakhe azimanga kahle and ilikicethe ukuqala, so I'm not sure if they are not happy with his playing style or so even him ke uzofika ngokuthi abe more defensive and wait for Pirates and then try to hit them in a counter. And for us, it's for us to be patient and not be naive in terms of we want the win, but not to go to see it and then start making mistakes or opening up because of it is a dangerous team. And when you play Pirates and you are playing for a team that's lower than Pirates, obvious. You don't need motivation. You are motivated by yourself. So for me, I think that should happen tomorrow is that the guys must be patient. And obviously, coach knows what's at stake because of, I'm sure, Mapagania, they know Guti. And it's a CB's trophy to vele segue yet. If you are not going to play, you are just going to go to the final. Smele babantu, abazofika final. But obviously, it has to start tomorrow, and it starts with us. And for me, they need to be patient. Obviously, things won't happen the way we want, but as I always say, the more the game goes, the more the other team believes. The first 5 minutes will be crucial for not for Devon City, because I don't think Devon City are under pressure. The people who are under pressure is Pirates. So I think the guys know how much pressure they are and how much pressure they in. So yazi manje isikotini sekuhlala kwi sold out ndoda. Bayazi amadoda ukuthi kuyafiwa lapha. So any results they know. But for us as Pirates supporters, we know we are behind the boys and let's go out there and support them and asingaphuya abantu man.
I know. Asingaphuwa abantu mabangadlali zona sikhulumile. Going to yona le game le yakusasa, who do you think will be the standout players for Orlando Pirates kusasa? Abobani lapha bazobaleka abazoyenza izinto zenzeke for amabhakabhaka?
I mean, I always my only player was in Police. I think Police and obvious. I think Mremi had a good start. That's one thing I should comment. Mremi had a good start. Bonasha any pass lapha. showing you past Lamfana. I think is those are the two standard players that I think should be players to watch. And then I think tomorrow I'm as in ngibeki ididing sami ku diding kuzogoka kusasa yazi sulishaya li1 bangacala umbuthuma ama game wakhe lawa so man ngine feeling man support me how but I have a feeling but those are two players that are key, you know, and they've played. I think for me I've always said Police and he's been doing well, and then obviously Mremi, you understand, and I think everyone has to come to the party because in terms of creativity and goals at the back, obviously the senior player, obvious Chaine, has been doing well. Started the season with a clean sheet, which is I'm happy, you know, our goalkeeper of the season. So those two players for me are crucial. And I'm not sure who to coach uzoqala ngayo hot, but I lamalanga uqala ngayo hot. But lentwana le enye le hey what a player, eh? I would love to see him more. Yeah, never. I would love to see that boy more, eh? I think he reminds me of my former player. Aish. He reminds me of that guy. Poka, Patrick Pungwayo. Yeah. He reminds me of him. So I would love to see him more. So yeah.
If Pirates yadliwa kusasa.
Yey.
If Pirates yadliwa kusasa. Bazoba badliswe yini? And does it mean ukuthi uNcanane right makati Pirates is just a name?
Yeah. It's good. It goes back to that. If the results go the other way around, the trend will be, that means umntana abantu benimlwisa mahala. Kusho ukuthi iqiniso lento ukuthi iPirates igama kuphela. Istatement sakhe siyahlala. You understand? But if iyangale, istatement siya reverse. So that's why I'm saying I'm sure today is Friday, ne? I'm sure Machita camp win. But I'm sure their video le Bucks camp bayidlalile vie. It shows how much important ukuthi le game yakusasa is. Bayidlalile vie ukuthi ngaliwa ngayenzwa in. Yabo. So Machita ngayenzi la thing. Nami sengirasa kangaka bazobabulale nami phela.
So if badlo bazoba balinyazwe yini maybe mawubhekini?
No, I think there must not be bangay they must not think it. One thing they need to know, it won't be an easy game, and they must not take the game against Milford and say, okay, against Milford this is what we did, this is what, you know, it was much easier. It won't be easy because it's a cup game. So cup game, one mistake you are out, you know. One mistake you are out because you don't know what's going to happen because of, as I said, the most dangerous team is the one that's not under pressure because they play for fun. As we are one about Sunday league, njengoba sidlala Sunday league ngama Sunday, awuna pressure, awuna ukuthi kwamele uwine in. But when I play Sunday league, I always have pressure because of the name I carry. As sekudlula umuntu ongadlalanga ibhola osipane officeini. Ata angazongitshela ngalo sifiso mina ngimakile Sunday. So hence I'm saying ukuthi it's gonna look very, very bad if the guys get the results in any manner. It won't just be a captain yabo that says something. Onke umuntu uzothi makavele awuthi available, right? You understand? So that's why I'm saying that's the most important game. Yabona kusasa, they've never been in this situation. Hence I'm saying ukuthi yabona base kwata nabantu on the top ewazi ukuthi kunzima. wazi ukuthi kusasa amajita amele bazi ukuthi it's Pirates against Chiefs. Ngithi bayazi ukuthi bakudlalwa leyo game is the most important one. Yeah, derby, so they know how much it means. And also amajita, they will show that you can't just disrespect the team that we play for like the way you did.
Ane, sabonga Sifiso, besicela usivalele yona.
All right. Thanks everyone for joining us on the Sifiso Myeni show. Please don't stop following us and following Omni Sports, Omni Audio, Africa, Niaz Matota. Sifiso Myeni show. We always speak football. Please. And this time, can I please Niaz Celela Matota? Hey, cela ungatrendi. Hey, trendile Matota. Hey, trendile kuloku Matota. Hey, manje ngiyacela man. Hey, my whole life angaze ngibe ku Twitter. But we'll speak about that next time. Guti, we are all learning from each other. I always speak football, Bafetu. Nothing personal. I always speak football. We are always people who voice out what we think. It's not to say what you think as fans. It's wrong. You can comment. You know, I always read the comments, good or bad, and I take it. I don't need to reply also. So ngiyabonga Bafetu. Thanks for joining me. Ax. Danko.